Hey everybody, y'all welcome back to the Roadhouse. Today, gang, we're gonna do kind of a smorgasbord kind of a deal here. I've got some chicken wings. I got a pork tenderloin stuffed with green onion sausage. I got some of my kind of cute sausage, and I've got some. Actually, I've never seen this before. Country style beef ribs, and what that is, y'all, is a boneless chuck. Piece of boneless chuck. Let me show y'all. Never seen those before. And there's our sausage. That kind of cute. Man, if y'all can find that, that is so good, y'all. We got our vegetable kebabs here. Just mushrooms, squash, zucchini, onions, and bell pepper. And this is our pork tenderloin here, stuffed with green onion sausage. And there's our chicken wings. And on the wings, this is the rubs I used, y'all, right here. I'm going to hit the ribs with some Uncle Chris's gourmet steakhouse seasoning. On the chicken, I put Zatarain's garlic and herb seasoning, some fajita seasoning here, and I hit it with a little chicken rub. And then our pork loin, I hit that with some just regular old Fiesta pork rub. Alright, gang, y'all, welcome back. We got our country ribs seasoned up. So I just hit them with a little bit of that Uncle Chris's gourmet steakhouse seasoning. Pretty decent looking ribs, y'all. I mean, I'm kind of curious to see this chuck rib. We're going to see how we can get them bad boys done, though. You know, we'll see. I mean, pretty thick ribs, y'all. In one of my previous videos, I actually got invited to try out a new product from Inkbird. And what it is a meat thermometer. Now, let me show y'all what we got right here. I have not used it on a cook yet. I'm gonna use we're gonna be cooking on the Oklahoma Joe and on the Weber today, and I'm gonna use this Inkbird to I bought the case, guys. It just came in a box, but you know, neat little, it's Wi-Fi, you know, Bluetooth, what have you. It comes with a little charging cable. It's got a rechargeable battery in it, and all that neat stuff. And it's got a couple of probe holders right there. You know, see those? You know, and I've got some extras, you know, but it does come with 4 probes, y'all. And you got one ambient probe there, and then the rest of your meat thermometer. So you got 3 of those. But I figured we'd use at least a couple of them, you know, the ambient and the meat probe or what have you. But pretty neat little gadget, y'all. I mean, you plug your stuff in. There you go. And I've already got it paired to my phone. You know, and this is our ambient probe right here. So 73 degrees, and it'll flash back and forth between the 2 probes there. See, 1 and 2. And I'll show y'all a little app. It's called BBQ Go. And that's the little booklet it comes with right there. So pretty neat. But let me go grab my phone. I need to get some meat put on the grill so we can get this set up outside. Back, man, we got everything set up on the grill. We got the Inkbird set up right there. The sun shining straight on the display. Kind of hard to see, y'all. You know what? We're gonna use our phone anyway. But anyway, all right. So, we pushing 300 right there on the Oklahoma Joe. On the Weber, I don't have an ambient temp sensor on this, and we're about 320, something like that. But y'all check this out, man. So I got the pork loin right there, and that's my probe number 4, beef ribs, boneless country beef ribs. That is, never heard of those, but hey, we're checking it out. Got them temped, and we got our chicken right here. Temped, they're looking good already, y'all. Look at that. We'll put our vespers on a little bit. And I am smoking the chicken with hickory, and I'm doing the pork and the beef. I'm just using apple wood on this. But Alright guys, let's go inside and let's see what kind of range this thing's got. We'll be back in just a minute. Alright guys, we're back. Right here, our barbecue go out. I'm about to get out a little bit for this, y'all. Yeah. It's telling me my got an alarm going off. My pit's a little bit hot. I got on barbecue smoke on my ambient temp. The range is 216 to 230. I'd say I'm a little bit above that, but you know what? We're gonna let it roll. Alright, now I got my number 2 probe set for beef medium. It's at about 106 on the probe. Done. This is 140 as far as the set temp. Chicken 165. Now I'm gonna go a little bit more than that on mine. That's just me, y'all. You know. And then the pork 145 for the pork. So those are all going. Our pork is at 90. Chicken's at 122. Beef ribs are at 108. The ambient temp is 304. I need to go cut the throttle back a little bit on the Oklahoma Joe. It's trying to run amok, y'all. Anyway, we'll be back, gang. We'll check on all this in a little bit. I will tell y'all this. The Inkbird, because this is probably, I don't know, 100 and something feet from my kitchen to my grill, and you know, a lot of wall interference, but this thing has not dropped out once. So I just wanted to share that with y'all. So far, it's a mighty fine product, and I appreciate Zoe over at Inkbird sending this to me. So we'll check back in a minute, y'all. All right, gang, I'll come out to cut my throttle back a little bit. I just want y'all to see this. All right, this is my ambient temp 307 right there. Y'all see that? All right, here's my gauge. All right. Look at that, right at 300, y'all. So, right, hey, welcome back. It's close. All right. So, here's our readings. Impressed with this Inkbird, y'all. And I got my instant read thermometer. We're going to check against the probes. Beef is showing 156. Our chicken is showing 187. Our pork is actually showing 144. So, let's start with the chicken. Showing about 187 there. Let's see what we got, y'all. We'll stick this piece right here. We've got about 180 there. Let's check the one the probe is in. About 175. Oh, there you go. 199, 200. And it's showing 187 on there. 194. About 183. So I guess 186. There you go. You put it in the same spot as the probe. Okay, well that's cool. Alright. My chicken is done. I need to put my vegetables on here. Alright. Now beef and our pork. Let's see, the pork, I actually moved the probe into the sausage there. We're showing 144 on our, yeah, I know. 145. Right there. 141, 142. Boy, that's close, yeah, y'all. Look at that. 144, 145. I'm cool with that. Beef is showing 156. Well, let's go in right here and see. 154, 155. Hey man, I'd say that's a hookup, y'all. Yeah, you took it to death with that. Anyway, all right, let this stuff go a little bit more, y'all, and I need to get my veggies put on the Weber. We'll get everything inside and plated up. Pulled off the pork loin. Everything is done there. Looks nice. Can't wait to try these ribs, man. We're gonna let this stuff rest for, I don't know, 15 minutes or so. Still waiting on chicken. I did put a little Sweet Baby Ray's honey chipotle on there. Miss Carrie's doing some dirty rice or rice dressing, whichever you prefer to call it. So we're almost done, gang. We'll be back in a few. All right, y'all, welcome back. We got everything pulled off. Let's see how we did, y'all. Let's cut this pork loin right down the middle. Yeah, baby, look at that. Nice and juicy. Good gracious. Look at that juice, man. Golly. Come on, that's all right. So we know we got to try a little piece of this. Little piece of this pork loin here, guys. Oh man, look at that. Look at that, y'all. Good gracious. Just glistening. Look at that. Let's do that. A green onion sausage there. Pretty good. Oh yeah, man. Nice flavor. Ooh. Applewood, huh? Yeah, that's nice. That was really nice. Let's check this beef rib. That's really good, y'all. All right. I'll move this dude to the back here. Boy, that's all right. All right. Now let's check our beef rib. See how we did here. We'll cut this dude in the middle. Oh man, what? Look at that. Nice and medium, y'all. See that okay? Yeah, nice and juicy. Look at that. Let's get us a little slice of this, guys, and see how we did. Look at that cutting board. Look at all that juice. Come on, let's look at that, y'all. That's all right. That's good. And I gotta tell you that Uncle Chris's gourmet steakhouse seasoning, that stuff is good, y'all. Alright, now, chicken wing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Guys, I'm telling you, you don't get no better than that. The dogs are going nuts back here, y'all. They circling me. Let's see. Let's come back up here a minute. All right. Drumette pull straight off the wing, y'all. Look at there. A nice crust and everything on there. Clean off the bone. Ooh, nice smoke. Got a little Sweet Baby Ray's. Has a good little pop to it. Y'all look. I'm gonna show y'all up close. Juicy. Yeah, nice and juicy. Again with the red. Look at the color on there. Medium. And y'all knows we gotta have a little piece of this kind of cute sausage, man. If y'all can find that stuff, it is so good. Nice heat, not too much as far as the spices go. Well, y'all, I'd say that's a wrap for the Roadhouse. We waiting on Miss Carrie's rice dressing to get done, and appreciate all of y'all coming by. The model on this Inkbird, y'all, thermometer is the it's the IBT-4XS right there. And again, thank y'all, Inkbird. I appreciate y'all, you know, sending me this product. Good review for me. Look, thumbs up, y'all. The probes are within a couple of clicks, if not right on. Zoe, thank you again. I really appreciate it. And guys, I'll put a link in the description box. There'll be a promo code. You can get 10% off. And I think as Zoe said, maybe another 10 if you go to the site and punch in the code. So, but hey, it is almost Christmas time, so nice product right there, y'all. And I want to say it's about 60 bucks, this model here, and you can get them up to like 6 probes. But had all 4 probes, man, it was rocking. Thank y'all again. But anyway, on this cook, y'all, man, I'm tickled to death with this. Talk about smorgasbord. I got stuff everywhere. Anyway, hey, I appreciate all of y'all. And y'all, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit your little subscribe button down there. I'm over 3,000 subs now. So, hey, I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Love y'all. We're going to get down here and eat, and we'll see y'all next week. Bye-bye.